The remains of the longest reigning monarch in Nigeria, the Awujale of Ijebu land of Asikiru Kayode Adetona, has been committed to murder earth with a charge on Nigerians, especially those in the position of authority, to leave a good legacy while in the position of authority. The Grand Muftia of Yoruba land, Sheikh Abdulrazak Ishola, gave the charge at the burial of the paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Adetona. Anthony Gandino was at Ideba residence of the monarch and now reports.
The residence of the royal father and the paramount ruler of Ijebu land was filled to capacity as people from all walks of life, including former Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo, Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Captain of Industries, representatives of traditional institutions, and religious leaders converged on the residence of the late monarch to pay him their last respect. In a sermon, the Grand Mufti of Yoruba land, Sheikh Abdulrazak Ishola, extolled the virtues of the late Awujale, whom he described as an upright and selfless leader who was so mindful of the development of his subjects and his land.
I thank God that he fought a good fight, even to the last end. Baba was still up to, the governor spoke to him a few hours before he died, to show you that his faculty and brain was sharp.
It was a rallying point for Ijebu nation, and he gave us a unique identity. He was able to project us to the rest of the world.
Prayers were thereafter offered on the remains of the late monarch. The late Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona, who was enthroned on April 2nd, 1960, reigned for 65 years. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandino, NTA News.